Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea if we've never met before, and I make new videos weekly on fashion, beauty, and travel. Today's video is going to be a mini facial treatment featuring Savor Beauty. They have a counter here at the Neiman Marcus flagship here in San Francisco, and I'm going to go see what the brand is all about. What I've collected from their website is that they are a Korean-inspired skincare company based in New York. I biked over here, I'm a little bit sweaty, and I did berries this morning, so I'm definitely in need of some pampering, so let's go in and check it out. We're gonna get started with removing this makeup first. All the products are labeled in order of usage. So this is 0, and then we have steps 1 through 5 to follow for the actual skincare. So this is gonna remove my makeup and BB cream I have on today.
And don't take off, just leave and then layer with the number 1.
Really? That's a new technique. I've never heard of keeping the cleansing oil on first and then going to cleanse right away. After cleansing, looking so smooth.
This one is a toner, mist type, and also this one is alcohol free. So if you take a deep breath, you can take aromatherapy benefit too.
Yeah. I love a lot of oils, but sometimes they have fragrance. So I have to be careful, like artificial fragrance added.
We don't use any artificial fragrance, this is natural.
Good. Tried that way before.
It's like a foamy massage.
It feels so good. Step 4.
So we have a moisturizer. Its name is a truffle face cream. We use the truffle extract. Also contains a peptide. So peptide is amino acid, is a part of a protein, so boosting collagen elasticity. And also this one contains minerals and complex vitamin. It's an amazing moisturizer.
Step 5, caviar.
This is caviar eye cream. So this one is rich omega-3 and 6. It's good for diminish wrinkles and fine line. And also this one contains CoQ10. CoQ10 is rich vitamin E.
Yeah.
So it's good for regeneration.
So Savor Beauty has this wonderful Discovery travel set. It has steps 1 through 4 plus a lip balm. So you don't get the oil cleanser at $78. A great way to try the brand and obviously have some travel minis. And this case is so cute. 2 other products they have that they don't do in the facial treatment but are equally as interesting. Manuka Honey Mask, Glow Boosting Natural Exfoliating Mask. Miracle in a jar. And then the Lip Sugar Scrub. I love products like this. I have to use a lip scrub like once a week because my lips can get so flaky and dry. And you get a big container of this. Let's talk about this. Rose Quartz Roller. I already own one of these, but I can tell you this. This is much nicer quality than the one I have, so I'm looking forward to my upgrade. I use this in the morning and at night to soothe puffiness, kickstart that lymphatic drainage, soothe eczema, and hopefully one day tighten this jawline. Kyung took such good care of me and she sent me home with a lot of goodies, so I'm excited to be trying the brand out some more and definitely implementing that higher quality rose quartz roller into my routine. This was honestly one of the most relaxing facial massages of my life, and it's hard to believe it happened right in the middle of the Neiman Marcus beauty department. If you'd like to see her in action, Kyung is at Savor Beauty inside Neiman Marcus San Francisco 3 days a week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can test drive some of the products and maybe take some home. I'm excited to be trying more from the brand, and I hope you enjoyed this video.